Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 of WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator, Troubleshooting, Demo Setups, and Best Practices. In this video, we will cover troubleshooting, demo setup, and best practices for the WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now, edit a product. Scroll down to Product Data. First, let's review some common issues. If the calculator is not working, check if the product is marked as virtual and downloadable. Disable these options. Ensure the Measurement tab is configured correctly. If using WPML, make sure these settings are copied to translated products. Use the demo setup for guidance. Tiles are sold by the box, fabric is sold by the yard, and wallpaper is sold by the roll. These demos will help you understand how to configure your product. Now, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on the Products tab. In Products General, go to Measurements. To avoid confusion, use consistent units. Set default units for dimensions, weight, area, and volume. For example, use centimeters for length and square centimeters for area. Here are some best practices. Test all configurations before going live. Use calculated inventory only for simple products. Avoid mixing metric and imperial units for accurate calculations. Now let's preview the front end of a product. In the product page, you can select the required length in centimeters, and the price will change accordingly. And that's it. In this video, we have learned how to troubleshoot, use demo setups, and follow best practices. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital